there's a extra one here. You pull this, where is it? If you remove that clip there, this removes, so you could use that to jack. I'm gonna show you here, for example. See, that kind of comes off. It comes another piece, and you could use that. And on these years, they don't make it easy because they have this splash shield cover. It covers the oil, so you have to remove a certain amount of clips. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, and once you remove that, you kind of slide it back and it falls down, and you get to see the drain plug and the oil filter. So let's do that. Start by removing this one first. Screwdriver. Where's my hand? Alright, it's windy. Now you got these puny ones where you just twist, that comes off. Set that to the side. Let's do another one so you get the idea. Twist, and that comes off. A 17mm socket. Let's just loosen this. Alright, that's loose. We'll leave it like that. Let's bring the pan.
Ok, está la otra caja. Voy a tirar. Mañana lo tiro. Toda la caja que es de aquí, hay la chapa, y ahora me traigo lo tiro. Hay un lugar especial donde se tira la basura. Aquí sigue el trapo rojo.
Now, normally what I like to do, and maybe I recommend, is I always get an extra quart. The good thing about these Hondas is they use about 4 or sometimes even less quarts of oil. So I pour in some of that extra quart that I buy, or that's in the jug itself, to kind of clean out anything that might be in there. So as soon as I start seeing more of that yellow, brand new honey color oil, and it's kind of like a flush, you could say, so just kind of clean out the bottom of the pan. That's all it's doing. So I have the extra jug here. I'm just gonna pour in a little bit. There you go. Perfect.
Saco! Ufa! Ufa, Toñita.
That's nice. Okay, now let's do the oil. Gonna go in, you're gonna hit that button here on the side, you're gonna keep pushing on that till you reach the oil. Now where it says oil life, you're gonna hold that for about 10 seconds if I'm not mistaken, so bear with me if you're watching the video. You're gonna hold that and it should start blinking. And you're gonna keep holding on to that. You want to click that again, hold it. There you go, and you're good to go. That's it. Now you go back, and there you go. So once you hold it for 10 seconds, you let it go, give it about 3 seconds, and then you push back and hold it again for about another 10 seconds. That's where you get 100%. So now we are good to go on oil life. Let's put that back where the customer had it, which was range and how much gas you had left. So let's go ahead and start it. Well, let's make sure everything's clear in the hood. Okay, that's good. Down there is good because we tie in the oil filter and the drain plug. Caps back on. I checked that once I poured the oil. Nothing in the way. We're good. Let's start it. Honestly, as you start it, you want to make sure for any leaks. So we're gonna like that, and we want to put it on drive, reverse, neutral. You want to cycle it back to drive, back to reverse, back to park. Want to make sure there's no leaks. No leaks whatsoever. No leaks there. No leaks there. So we are good to go. Oh, look what I found here. I'm not sure if I could zoom into that. Man, looks like I can. Alright, whatever. But that's how you replace the oil on these Hondas. They're not so difficult. There you go. Only thing that's annoying is removing that splash guard sealed off the bottom of the vehicle. On that, it should be a quick and easy process. Good to go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe. Should be doing the Camaro soon. I just finished wrapping the headers. And yeah, thanks, dude.